Hi friends, this is RP. In this video, we'll see how we are to trade tomorrow, that is 7th April 2022. So Nifty a little bit downside today. It closed at 17,807. So yesterday we discussed about the movement of the Nifty. We are expecting to close this gap 17,700 to 17,780. There is a gap area. This gap may be filled tomorrow or day after. So after filling the gap, we have to observe the price action. So if price closes below this gap, there could be some more correction on the downside. If the price closes this gap and sustains above the gap area, then we can expect the one more upside up to the level of 18,300 to 18,350. The important thing is we have to observe the filling of this gap, and after filling the gap, the price action. So important key level 17,545. As long as Nifty sustains above this level, our aim should be buy and dips only. Okay, so next we'll see the bank Nifty also. So bank Nifty important level is 36,870, and that is our key level. And now the price is in the gap, so gap is not filled, so it may fill tomorrow or so. So after filling the gap, if the price closes below this gap area, then we can expect some more downside up to the level of this 36,000, and if sustains above this gap, then we can expect up to 39,000 on the higher side. Then now the key level is 36,870. So how we are to trade intraday levels for tomorrow Nifty futures and bank Nifty futures. So tomorrow's 7th April 2022, we will buy above 17,920 and we will sell below 17,830 with a stop loss of 0.25% and aiming for a target of 40 to 50 points intraday. The simple rule, so we have to use the 5-minute candlestick chart, and the 5-minute candle should close above this level, we can buy. If the 5 minutes candle closes below 17,830, then we will sell. As per the stop loss method, we'll use the 0.25% as our stop loss, and we'll take out our profits at 40 to 50 points. Now we'll see the bank Nifty also. Same rules for the bank Nifty. The levels are, we'll buy above 38,050 and we'll sell below 37,660 with a stop loss of 0.25% and aiming for a target of 150 to 200 points. Now we'll see two stocks for positional trading. So stock is Concur Container Corporation of India. So decent breakout today with a high volume. So this wave, small correction and moving upside. So there is a buying opportunity in this stock around 690 plus or minus 5 rupees we can buy, and we can keep a stop loss below 670 and aim for a target of 740. So this area we can have a resistance area. So this level may test this very soon. So very short term trading opportunity in Concor. So one more stock. JK paper daily candlestick chart. If you see the decent rally, small correction, and the rally extending. So there is a opportunity we can buy around 330 or 335 levels and keep a stop loss below 320 and aim for a target of 355. This wave extension may test this level very soon. So two stocks we discussed. So tomorrow again Nifty, Bank Nifty along with the two stocks. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please share it to your friends. If you are not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. Thank you.